friends, so we're going to our friend's house for dinner. I just curled my hair really quick. I want to get this thing called like Color Wow Volume Booster. I saw Essie Castaneda. She mentioned it in one of her videos and it really makes volume on your hair, and I have no volume. I think that would be great. Anyways, we're going to our friend's house. He's going to make chilaquiles, and they have an exchange student from Italy. They came into our house before and many times. They're our friends. Anyways, and I made tres leches for them and Justin made pizza for the family. Do you remember? Anyways, they invited us to have chilaquiles. Oh, girl. One thing about me is I love chilaquiles, so I'm excited to go. I got 9 cheesecake bites as like a gift, like thank you for having us, with strawberry sauce and caramel that I made. Hope you check out that video. And then we're gonna go to a football game because the exchange student from Italy, she is a cheerleader, and they be throwing her and doing flips. Like, she showed us videos. Anyways, we're gonna go cheer her on at a football game, like a high school football game. So I'm excited. Like, I know I was saying how like adjusting to the move has been hard, but they make it easy. You just gotta find the right group. I think I was just really emo that day, but I personally feel like we have made friends faster living here versus in the Bay Area. Like, from California to the Bay Area, it took us a lot longer to like find, you know, our group of friends. But here, I think it's because I'm more open and I'm really trying, but at the same time, I don't know, like it just feels like we made like, and then tomorrow we're seeing our other friend Daryl and his partner. So I'm like, what? I was like, wait, three groups of friends so far, and then some. Oh, and then my 4th friend, I went to Home Goods with her, so I'm making a lot more friends quicker here, which I am really grateful for. And I didn't think about that. I was like, wait, that's cool. Hello. We're at the game. Good morning, friends. I'm here with Justin.
Good morning.
We are making pancakes and eggs together. He's doing eggs, I'm making pancakes. We have blueberry, banana walnut, and then of course chocolate chips for my babies. Hi friends, so my newest obsession are flowers around the house. I mean, I was obsessed with that for a while, and then Sunrise was eating flowers, so I stopped and I kept it like upstairs in our bathroom or whatever. But now we can have flowers, just, you know. I found out roses are the types that Oliver does not care for, so I can do that. I don't know why. I saw someone put ice in their water or in their vase for the flowers, so I was like, let me try. What does that do? No clue. I'm just copying. And you know, it has to be some yellow flowers, except we have some red ones in the front because red looks so like gothic and cool for like Halloween. I don't know. So yeah, these are flowers from Kowalski, and it's a good price. I think it's like 20 bucks for a dozen roses. Oh, not my scissors. But I think that's a pretty good price because I looked at florists and I was all like, they look the same. Let me just get some from the grocery store instead. So yeah, and these are also, it's Minnesota grown. And these are, girl, I don't know the name. It starts with a G. Yeah, I'm gonna do those 2, like in tiny vases all over the house. Like, I keep them in the bathroom. I love flowers. You see, they're so pretty. I love them. These little vases for like the bathroom, and I love them because then I can put like, and also I put it like in the coffee table. I just kind of like measure. This one needs to be a little shorter. There you go. Look how pretty. Not enough for another vase, but smaller. I love these. I'm gonna put this over there in the big dining table. Let me give you the flower tour. I have this one here. Do you see Ollie? He's over there looking at the squirrels. Hi, Ollie! His name is Ollie Oliver, Ollie Oxenfree, Oliver and Travels. Just everything. So yeah, one over here. I have the little flower over here. One over here with my citrine and my amethyst. One over here in the bathroom. One over here in the formal dining table area. I love these candles. One came broken though. I didn't complain or anything to Amazon, but they're beautiful. And then you have to buy the candles separately, but I love them. And then yeah, one over there. I'm not sure if I shared this yet, but we got this console table on Amazon. And yeah, and then we have these roses here. That was from earlier this week. Yeah, I love flowers. And then I got that from Home Goods when I went with my friend. And the plants and all the decor, honestly, Amazon. I love this vase. Oh, and my Forever Mood candles. Of course, you know I love Jackie Aina. I love this lamp because you can change the different colors and it's cordless. So it looks like that. Yeah, I think it looks good. We've been needing like a console like on this side. It's been forever since I placed the makeup order. Like honestly, like I don't buy new makeup all the time. But I wanted to share just 3 things I bought at Ulta. The first thing is this body wash. Because my sister and her boyfriend are coming for Thanksgiving. And this is her favorite scent. So I want to put it downstairs in the guest bathroom in the basement. And then I got this. I definitely didn't need it, but I wanted it. And so I treated myself to this palette by Charlotte Tilbury because I think it would be so good for traveling. Oh my gosh. Girl, take a gander. But let me show you. I got the darker version because I'm darker and I needed darker. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is a full face palette. It has a blush, another blush, a face. I don't know what that face is because that's not my skin color, but it's okay. Charlotte Tilbury could go darker, please. A lot darker for, you know, people of color, please. And this is a bronzer and then eyeshadows. Isn't this good for traveling? All I would have to bring is my own face color, but the rest I could use. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I bought that because I wanted like a travel palette that I could use on a regular. And then I didn't want to spend this much on setting spray, but I do notice, oh my gosh, I still got the flower water. I do notice that this makes a huge difference when it comes to the finish of my makeup. I really like a couple. I like the Easy Bake one, I think by Huda. That one is fantastic if you want it to be long lasting. But this one is more like a everyday, it looks kind of like dewy and airbrush. That's why it's called Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this one came as a duo. And I finished all of mine and I just couldn't really find a proper dupe. So I just had to get me a full size. And then this one comes with a little tiny travel size. I think it's less than 3 ounces. Because if it's less than 3 ounces, I can travel with it, you know? Let me see. How many ounces is this? It's smaller. It's a baby. You see that? So yeah, those are the 3 things that I bought. And that's it. I don't go crazy. I don't do too much. I just get what I need. I do want to get this shade called Mac Teddy. It's a lip liner that my friend Susanna told me about, and girl, it's beautiful. It's like an old school color, like a 90s, like warm brownish reddish. I'm gonna put that on my Christmas wish list. Yeah, and hopefully Santa will hook it up. I cleaned the whole house down before I go get ready for our date night. The boys are downstairs in the basement playing, and yeah, the house is squeaky clean. Like super, like everywhere. Take it in, my friends, because it only lasts for 2 seconds. Hi, Bob. I love you, buddy. Take it in. I mopped. Justin vacuumed because we tag team. I put the flowers down. It's looking lovely. Let me go try and get my Bob to come out. Hi, Mr. Bob. Hi, handsome boy. Look at my stud muffin. Let me go get you some extra food. Come here, Peppy. Come here, Pupus. Hello, friends. How are you? Justin and I are having a date night with our friend Daryl and his partner Claire. We're gonna go see their house, and then we're gonna have dinner at Billy's, a sushi place. And then after dinner, we're gonna see Hannibal Buress. He's a comedian. He's really funny. We saw some of his stuff on Netflix. Wow. Oh, we're here early. We're gonna see Hannibal Buress. Our friend Daryl got us front seats. Are you like... I've never been front. I've never been front anywhere. Like ever. Like this is crazy. Like... Hello friends, we're back from Hannibal Buress. It was so fun. Yeah, I cannot believe Daryl got us front row tickets. That's crazy. Oh, so Bobby wasn't feeling well. We asked her to watch her babies. She couldn't watch them, right? And then, so we were going to ask Jessica, but Jessica couldn't because baby is sick. And then we were going to ask Uncle Brad and Aunt Carrie, and they're in Chicago. And then we asked Aunt Nancy, and she watched the kids. She saved the day because we were going to have to cancel.
Yeah. It was so great. You guys have fun?
Yeah. He's tired. It's about to be 10 p.m. and I told them they could stay up late till 10, and they actually did it. Mm-hmm. I'm shocked. I mean, not with you because you're 11. You're a big boy.
I'm not tired.
Yeah, he's not tired, but it's bedtime.
Can we just talk for a second about how amazing April looks?
Honey, it's just a sweater.
No, it's not. Do a 360. Do a 360.
It's just a
Show
skirt.
it off. Show it off.
A skirt and a sweater.
I walk into the room and I catch my breath because it's just.
Well, I'm glad because you
so
gotta
lucky.
deal with me every day of your life, so I'm happy.
It's well worth it.
I'm happy. What you mean?
What?
Did you say something's wrong with me? My menopause?
It's okay, baby.
It's okay, stinky butt.
It's okay. Make sure that you're nice and fresh and clean, okay?
My baby's so fluffy and clean. Yes, papas. You sweet, handsome boy, you did great, and you smell so good now. You want to say bye-bye, friends? Oliver's ending the vlog, so nice and clean. Bye-bye.